Oh my God, Bentley is trying to tear up my stuff. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Style with Nina. Say hi, Bentley. Say hi, Sugar Bear. Okay, let me hurry up and shoot this video and then I'll take you out. Listen. Okay, so I am back to do another video today, real quick. Got this package in a couple days ago, and this is the first time I've ordered from this company. If you knock down he's already knocked down my ring light, you guys. Thank the Lord it ain't broke, but he didn't knock down the ring light and this part came off, so I don't even know if the lighting is good. But he needs to go to the bathroom. Okay, I know. And nobody's, hey, give me 5 minutes. And nobody's here, so I'm forced to take him out. Okay, wait. Come here, come here, come here. Come sit with me. Come sit with me. Come here. Good boy. Can you give me about a good 10 minutes to do this unboxing? Okay, you gonna sit with me? No? Okay, I'm coming. Stop. Anyway, come on, come sit up here. Come sit up here. Come sit right there. Good boy. Sit. Sit with mommy. Okay, good boy. Stay. Just stay right there. Anyway, so this is the first time I have ordered. If he knocked down okay. Bentley, you're being a distraction, sir. So this is the first time that I have ordered through this company. And anywho, I ordered this. It took a long time, in my opinion, to get my item, but I ordered this I believe December 29th, and it just came a few days ago. And when it came in the mail, I was a little bit annoyed, but let me just go ahead and show you what it is. So the company that I am talking about is lxr&co, and I actually ordered this through Steinmart. So let me just show you guys what it is. So it came in a big old stupid box, and it came in this bag, and then inside of the bag, the only thing that was in the bag was what I'm about to show you. I'm trying to. So imagine, I'm gonna just open up the bag. This is how it came. Really? So imagine this in a big old box. So I'm side-eyeing that, but whatever. I got a good deal on this item, so I'm gonna just keep it pushing. So I decided, because the item was supposed to come with some other things and it didn't come with, so I decided for the unboxing purposes that I will put it in my own bag. So let me just go ahead and do that. This is my bag. So this is it, you guys. Here we go with this lighting situation. Okay. Not the lighting, but the autofocus. Okay. So let me show you guys what it is. Hubby has no idea that I bought this. This was December 29th. You know, I made a lot of decisions before the New Year's happened. I was making some decisions that, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, that, you know, was contrary to what I have been speaking upon or whatever. So let me show you guys what it is. I am so excited because this is my first piece of this item. Is it? It may not be. I don't know. Anyway. So this is what it is, you guys. I got an Hermes bracelet. Let me see if it has the name on it. So it says, and I'll show you the bracelet in a minute, but it says it's lxr&co. This product is certified authentic. So this is their authenticity card situation. Y'all do know that authenticity is only as good as the person telling you it's authentic. So Anywho, I do believe this is authentic though. So I got my first, let me not say that. I got an Hermes bangle, which I am excited about. You know, see how I'm coordinating? So the bangle is, oh my God, this camera is taking me so all the way out. I'm gonna just stay at this, stay here, because if I get close, it doesn't like that. It's a bangle, but it's a green. It's got pretty like green and blue and orange. Can y'all see that? I think this is like, if you take this off, you can't return it type of situation. I'll just insert a picture so y'all can really see what it looks like. And then it came in this little janky bag. So I'm having sort of a situation with this company, and I will tell you why. So of course, when I got the big old stupid size box, and then the box was inside, this little bag was inside this big old bag, I was annoyed because my item was supposed to come with the Hermes box. And so if it says comes with in your description, which I'll make sure I'll link up here, over here, it says comes with box, yada 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 yada, and then it doesn't come with that, that's a letdown. Though the item was priced very well, because the reason why I ended up getting this bangle was because it was on Steinmart. Y'all be sleeping on the Steinmart, but it was on Steinmart for an additional 40% off. So I believe I paid for this bangle, and I mean, you can find them, you know, for the price I paid. However, it's usually not in as good of condition. So I believe I paid, you know, around $200 for this bangle. And I'm trying to throw prices, you know, I don't know how long I'm gonna be nice and tell y'all prices, because y'all know I resell. But the bangle is in really, really good condition. So that's why, because you can find, like, I've seen Hermes bangles for less than that, but they're scratched up and whatever. And I don't, you know, jewelry is kind of difficult to bring back to life if you can't submerge it in something and it comes back. So I don't really like to fool around with items that look like they, you know, been around the hanger, the ring, whatever the word is. But this is in really great condition. So another thing about Hermes bangles is you got to know your size, because listen, they come in different and it can be too small. So this is very, very cute. I'm so happy that I was able to get this at such a great price. I am, by the time this video goes up, I'm going to let you guys know what is happening with my box. So let me go back to my story. So immediately when I saw that my box was not there, I called them and I was like, I ordered this item from your company via Steinmart, and in your description you say, not only do you show a picture of it with the box, but you also say it comes with the box. Mine did not come with the box. Where's my box? So the lady was like, oh, okay, you know, I want you to go ahead and can you just send me an email with your order number so I can see where the location is, and then we'll get right back to you. Okay, that was Monday. It is Friday. I haven't heard anything. Nothing has happened. Only thing I'm getting now that you've gotten my email is you trying to solicit me to buy more items. I'm waiting on my box. Hello. I don't care that I got this at a really great price. That's not my problem. My problem is you falsely advertised that it was going to come with a box, and I don't have a box. So yeah. Am I being picky? Yeah, because, you know, I like to store my items. That makes a decision, I'm gonna be honest with you, whether I'm gonna get something or not is whether it comes with the box or not. Because I knew that it did not have the dust bag, so I said at least if it has the box, I can store it in the box, in my jewelry box, I can maintain it. this ain't gonna work for me. This ain't gonna work. So so yeah, lxr&co, I'm gonna need you to send me my box, okay? Because you know, by the end of this video, I'm gonna let the people know whether you did or not, and I'm going to also show you guys pictures of the description of what it said it come with, because I made sure that I screenshotted that before they took it down or something crazy. But yeah, I'm 100% excited that I got the bangle at such a great price. I am disappointed that my bangle did not come with the box that it said it was gonna come in. So feel some kind of way about that. I am glad that it didn't get all scratched up in delivery, since they sent this big old, like, why would you send this big old bag with this little, why? Can you explain to me why you would do that, lxr&co? So anyway, I love the item. I feel like I didn't get all of what I paid for because y'all didn't send me the box. So, and I will let you guys know my thoughts on that. I'm either add to this video or we'll see how it goes. We'll see how long the video is before I add to it or not. But again, I love you guys. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and mwah.